Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will give you about bank question for CCNA exam. Okay, well, next to the question, question number one, OSI model. Which of the following OSI layers is responsible for selecting the best path routing across an internet network? Okay, and transport layer, B data link layer, and C network layer, and D physical layer. And the answer key is correct. C network layer, and incorrect A, B, and D. And explanation: the network layer 3 is responsible is responsible for logical addressing and path determination routing to move data packet between different network. The transport layer manage end-to-end connection. TCP UDP, the data link layer handles physical addressing MAC address within a local segment, and the physical layer deals with bit transmission. Okay, and question number two, uh, about IP address and subnetting. How many valid host address are available on a subnet configured with to 27 mask? Okay, A 14, B 13, C 62, D 254, and answer key correct B 30, and incorrect A, C, and D. Okay, explanation. Uh, Prefix 27 prefix leaves 5 bits for host. Okay, and the formula to calculate valid host address is it, the address are subnet because one is used for the network address and the other for the broadcast address. Okay, question number three. What is the primary purpose of enabling trunking 102 1Q on a Cisco switch interface? A, to increase data transmission speed up to 10 GPS, and B, to connect a switch to a router for automatic routing processing, and C, to allow traffic from multiple VLAN to traverse a single physical link, and D, to provide end-to-end data encryption between switches. For answer key, correct is C. Uh, to allow traffic from multiple VLAN to traverse a single physical link. Explanation: the EAA the EAA 1802.1Q trunking protocol as VLAN take to the Ethernet frame header. This allow a single physical cable trunk link to carry traffic for multiple the distinct VLANs without missing them up, conserving physical switch port. Okay, and number four, how does SPF determine its router ID if it has not been manually configured using the router ID command? A. It uses the lowest IP address of any active physical interface. B. It uses the highest IP address of any active loopback interface. C. It uses the lowest MAC address of the nearest switch. D. It is randomly selected by the Cisco iOS. And answer key correct is B. Is it use the highest IP address of any active loopback interface. And explanation: the OSPF router ID section order is the manual router ID command, the highest IP address of on any active loopback interface. And three, the highest IP address on any active physical interface. Loopback interface are preferred over physical ones because they never experience physical link downstairs, making them more stable. And number five, the question: what is the First, criteria used by the spanning tree protocol or STP to elect a root bridge in a network. A. Highest port speed. B. Highest MAC address. C. Lowest priority value. D. Longest switch uptime. Answer key is correct. C, and incorrect B and D. C is priority value. C, lowest priority value. And explanation. STP like root bridge based on the lowest bridge ID. The BID consists of the priority value plus MAC address. STP evaluates the priority value first. If there is a tie, STP use the lowest MAC address as the tiebreaker. 6. The question is, during the DHCP process or DORA, which message is sent by a client as a broadcast to officially request an IP address after receiving an offer? A. Discover. B. Offer. C. Request. D. Acknowledgement. Answer key is C. C is request. And incorrect IBD. And explanation. The DHCP process follow the DORA follow the DORA steps. 1. Discover. Client looks for a server broadcast. And 2. Offer. Server offers an IP, unicast or broadcast. And 3. Request. Client requests the offered IP broadcast. 4. Acknowledge. Server confirm and finalize list unicast or broadcast. Number 7. Router servers a packet destined for IP 192.168, 10 and 5. The routing table contains 3 matching paths. 1, 192, 168, 10, 0, prefix to 2024. Okay, via Ethernet, 0/0. And number 2, 192, 168, 10, 0, prefix 226 via Ethernet 0/1. And 3, 192, 168, 00/16 via serial 000, which path will the router choose? A. Path 1, because prefix 24 is the standard class C network mask. And B, path 2, because it has the longest subnet mask, longest match. And C, path 3, because it covers the widest range of IP address. And D, the router will perform load balancing across L3 paths. And the answer key is B. Path 2, because it has the longest subnet mask, longest match. Okay, explanation. A router always prioritizes the longest prefix match in its routing table because it represents the most specific route to the destination host. The prefix 26 is longer and more specific than 24 and 16. The number 8 about security. Where is the optimal placement for an extended access control list? A. As close as possible to the destination host. B. As close as possible to the source of the traffic. C. On the outbound interface of the internet gateway. D. In the middle of the network backbone links. Answer key correct B. Incorrect C, D. And B is as close as possible to the source of the traffic. Explanation. Cisco HCL placement guidelines state standard HCLs are placed as close to the destination as possible because they only filter based on the source IP. Standard HCL are placed as close to the source as possible uh, because they filter precisely source destination IP protocol port, dropping unwanted unwanted traffic at the source, conserve network bandwidth. And number 9, which data format use key value pairs and curly braces and is heavily utilized is the RESTful API for network automation. A. XML, B. YAML, C. JSON, D. HTML. Answer key is C. JSON. And incorrect I, B, and D. Explanation. Son, JavaScript object notation use curly brace to define object and structural key. Value formatting XML. Okay. Number 10. Question is, if a router learns route to the exact same network prefix from both OSPF and AGRP simultaneously, which route will be installed in the routing table? A. OSPF because it is an administrative distance is 110, and B. AGRP because it administrative distance is 90. C. Both routes will be installed and the router will perform load balancing. And D. The protocol that calculates the lowest metric value at that moment. Okay. The answer is B. IJRP. IJP because its administrative distance is 90. Explanation. Administrative distance. Administrative distance measures the trustworthiness of a routing source. The lower the value, the more trusted it is. Internal LGRP has an ID of 90, whereas OSPF has an ID of 110 since. Okay, question 11. The question is, which of the following IPv6 address represent a link local address? A, B, C, D. And the answer key correct is B, and incorrect ICD. And the explanation, IPv6 local address always use the FE80. Prefix block that are automatically generated for communication within a single local network segment. Yeah, is a global unicast. FC00 is a unique local address, and FF00 is a multicast address. Okay, number 12. Question is, which industry standard open standard protocol is used to dynamically negotiate the formation of an ether channel bundle? A. PIGP, PIGP, B. LHCP, C. DTP, D. VTP. The answer key is correct B. LHCP, and incorrect ICD. Explanation, LCP, Link Aggregation Control Protocol, is an open standard protocol support across different vendors. PIGP is a Cisco proprietary option. DTP negotiated trunking links, and VTP managed VLAN database. Okay, next to 13. The answer is, which type of network address translation or NAT maps multiple internal private IP address to a single public IP address by tracking unique port numbers. A is static NAT, B dynamic NAT, C PAT port address translation, and D NAT overload. The answer key is C or D, as they refer to the exact same uh, concept in Cisco. And incorrect A and D. The explanation, PAT or port address translation or NAT overload maps thousands of private internal IP address to a single or a few public IP address. It uses unique layer for TCP or UDP port numbers to distinguish and track its individual communication session. And number 14, the answer is which layer to switch security feature is specifically designed to prevent DHCP servers from assigning unauthorized IP configuration to network host. A. BPDU Guard. B. Dynamic ARP Inspection or DAI. C. DHCP Snooping. And D. Port Security. And the answer key is C. DHCP Snooping. And incorrect A, B, and D. Explanation. DHCP snooping categorizes port as either trust or untrust. Ports connected to legitimate DHCP servers are marked as trusted. If a DHCP offer message is detected entering an untrusted port, the switch drop the packet immediately. Number 15. The answer is which type of cable should be used to connect a Cisco router's Ethernet port directly to a computer Ethernet port without an intervening switch? A. Straight through cable. B. Crossover cable. C. Rollover cable. D. Coaxial cable. The answer key is B. Crossover cable. And incorrect A, C, D. An explanation. Device operating at the same OSI layer or using identical transmit reserve pin configuration like a router and a PC or a switch and another switch require a crossover cable. When auto MDIX is not active, straight through cable connect this similar device like a PC to a switch. Number 16. The answer is when executing the command copy running config startup config on a Cisco router. Data is moved between which memory location? A. From ROM to flash. B. From flash to NVRAM. C. From RAM to NVRAM. D. From NVRAM to RAM. The answer key is C. From RAM to NVRAM. Incorrect. A, B, D. Explanation. The running config is active in RAM. The startup config reside in NVRAM. Copy to NVRAM and ensure configuration are safe permanent. Number 17. The answer is what is the correct syntax to configure an IPv4 static default route or on a Cisco router? A. IP route 000 255 serial 0/0/0. B. IP route 255 serial 0/0/0. And C. IP route 0000000 serial 000. D. IP default gateway 000. The answer key is C. IP route 0000000 serial 00. Explanation. Default route use the destination network 000 with a mask of the 000, missing any packet destination if no more specific route exists. The correct syntax format is IP route, network mask, exit interface, or next hop. Number 18. The answer is which component in an enterprise wireless network as a centralized manager to control multiple lightweight access point or LAPS. A. Autonomous access point. B. Wireless LAN controller or WLC. C. POS switch. D. DNA center. And the answer key is B. Wireless LAN controller or WLC. Explanation: under split MAC architecture, the wireless LAN controller or WLC manage configuration, security, profile, and radio frequency characteristic for multiple lightweight access point or LAPS, centrally using cap WAP encapsulation. And number 19. The question is, which command secure access to privileged access mode enable using the strongest built-in encryption algorithm in Cisco IOS? A. Enable password Cisco. B. Enable secret Cisco. C. Service password encryption. D. Username admin password Cisco. The answer is B. Enable secret Cisco. Explanation: the enable secret command secure the password automatically using a highly secure hashing algorithm. Such, on the other hand, enable password leave it in plain text unless obfuscated by service password encryption, which use we type 7 encryption that is trivial to crack. Oke, emang habis tiba-tiba mau tau nggak tahu salah kirim atau duluan nggak tahu buat saya mas gitu ya. Dari abis video. Okay, number 20. The question is, in the Cisco three-tier uh, hierarchical model, which layer is primarily responsible for packet filtering (ACL), interVLAN routing, and applying network security policies? A. Core layer. B. Distribution layer. C. Access layer. D. Core distribution combined layer. Answer key is B. Distribution layer. Explanation: access layer directly connect an user host to the network, handles both security, VLAN segmentation. Distribution layer serves as the policy driven tool. Core layer optimized purely for high-speed packet transportation across network backbone without heavy processing. Okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.